In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate that muffled telephone audio effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. So once you're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and you've got some audio imported on your timeline, we can first begin by just playing that back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this really awesome... So there you go. There is the unfiltered, completely unedited audio. Now, in order to create this telephone voice, we simply just need to go into Effects and search for High Pass, and that should be in the Filter and EQ folder. We'll drop the High Pass filter onto the audio, and if we play that back, already that's going to sound great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this really awesome 3D drop shadow text effect. Now that's really awesome. Of course, we can fine tune this already. So if we go into High Pass, if we go down to cutoff, if we change this to 0, as you can see, there's going to be no effect applied. Right inside. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this really... And then if we increase that all the way up to 6,000, it's basically impossible to hear the audio. Now, I find the sweet spot is around the 1,500 to 2,000 mark. So I'm going to change the cutoff to 2,000 and we'll play this back. That sounds really nice. Of course, though, if you don't want the effect to be so intense, you can pull this down towards 1000. Drop shadow text effect. And that's going to be minimized just a little bit more. But I would say around 1500 to 2000 is where you want to be with this effect. I'm going to show you how to create this really awesome 3D drop shadow text effect. Now, if you're editing a scene where somebody is having a phone conversation, you want to make sure that the audio levels are much lower for the person coming through the phone. The person holding the phone should be quite loud. And of course, if you want to change the audio levels, all you have to do is just pull this line down. And there you go. That is how you create that muffled telephone audio sound effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next video. See you there.